Have you ever wondered about how to use gradient text in CSS? In this video, I will lend you how to use a background as a color in CSS. So let's start. To give one example, I will make this text bigger and, of course, a new font and use as a color one simple gradient from red to blue. Let's start. Our text has one identifier title. First font family I will use sans serif, that's one default font. Font size I will use 7. View weight and font weight bolder. That's all. First I say this later. No, that's the more important part. I will add one background I use a lot of. No color transparent. That's very important. Sometimes this order will make all not working. And no, the background clip property. I use the text. Well, let's save all. That's all we have our gradients. So that's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share it to your all friends. I'm sure it will help them if you are learning to the web development. That's all for today. Thank you very much.